So pretty much, I couldn't see myself behind a cubicle being micromanaged. So I really like the opportunity to work in manufacturing with M. Davis because you're allowed to be autonomous. You're allowed to think for yourself, run jobs.
I enjoy the customer interaction. I enjoy new designs that we are constantly manufacturing.
My job is to follow the customer specifications and help the personnel here at M. Davis through delivery.
Every day is different, very different. One day I could be on site monitoring a code repair. The next day I could be giving oil tests to welders. Other days processing the paperwork required to create a package for customers for a repair job or a piping job.